Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be looking into a program of chapter number 7, that is array, and the program says that we have to calculate the smallest and the largest number present in the array of size 10. So I will directly go to BlueJ and show you how to write program based on this question. So first of all, I will create the class. Let's say greatest smallest. Now I will declare one array ARR whose size is 10. So we already know that how we can create an array. So for this video, what I will do is I will initialize the values of arrays at the starting only. That is, I will not take input from the user. So this is how we can initialize the values inside an array. So we have to take 10 integer numbers. So I will start 8, 15, minus 9, 21, 45, minus 98, 4, 6, minus 10, and last I will take is 19. So these are the array elements of the array. Now I will take another variable which is max and another variable which is min, which will store the maximum and minimum value respectively that is present in the array. So if we have to traverse inside an array, then we can use index of the array. So rather going one by one index, I had shown you that how we can make use of looping statement to traverse on each and every index that is there inside the array. So for that, I will make use of for loop. I will take variable I which will start from 0, and this I will be going to 1 less than the array size. So our array size is 10, so it will go up to 9. Therefore I have taken less than 10. After this, I will increment the value of I so that I can traverse on each and every index of the array. Now, first of all, before starting this loop, I will assume that my maximum value is present at first position only. Similarly, I will also assume that my minimum value is also present at first position only. As and when we will go ahead, we will keep on changing the value of max and min depending upon what are the values stored inside the array. Now here I will take one condition. If my next value is greater than the first position value, then I will simply change the value of max. So now if max is less than the value of I, then I will simply do max equals to ARR of I. I will take another if statement. If value of minimum is greater than ARR of I, then I will change the value of minimum to the value that is there in the current index position. So here what I am doing is, the first value that I have is 8. So max and min both value will be 8. when it goes inside the loop, when I value is 0, this max value won't be less than the value at 0th index. 8 is less than 8, so it will not go inside the if statement, and it will simply go to another if statement. Is 8 greater than 8? Again, this will not go inside the body of if, it will go above. It will increment the value of I to 1. Now max value is 8, but ARR of 1 is 15. So is 8 less than 15? So yeah, this condition is true. So what this will do, 15 will be assigned to max, and now max value is updated to 15. Now it will go to this if statement. Is 8 greater than 15? So no, 8 is not greater than 15, so it won't go inside this body, and it will go above, increment the value of I to next value. So now I will hold value of 2. Max is having value 15. ARR is having value -9. So 15 is less than -9. So no, this is not less than. So it won't go inside the body. It will directly jump to next if statement. Mean value is still 8 because we didn't find any condition which makes this statement true. So 8 is greater than -9. So yes, this condition is true. This will go inside the body. It will update the value of mean, and now mean will hold value as -9. So this process will keep on repeating until I value reaches 10, because then only this loop will terminate and the next statements that we will be writing, those will be executed. So these two statements are necessary in order to calculate max and minimum value that is present inside the array. Once this loop is over, I will simply print the value of max and mean. So here I will write the statement system.out.println max value is that is stored inside max. So I will write max variable. Similarly, for minimum, I will write mean value is mean. And this is the simple program using which we can calculate the maximum and minimum value that is present inside the array. Now let's see the output of this. So as per our expectations, as per the values that are there in array, the max value that we should get is 45 and minimum value that we should get is -98. So now let's see the output of this, and we can see that maximum value is 45 and minimum value is 98. If I change the value from 98 to +98, then our minimum value should also get changed over here. So now the minimum value that is present inside the array is -10. So if we try and see the value and see the output, then we should get negative of 10 as the minimum value. And see, we are getting -10 as the minimum value which is present inside the array. So basically you all need to remember is how we can traverse each and every index inside the array. We can even do this program using scanner class. So you can try this program and let me know if there are any query or questions that you are facing. Now if you have any other query related to this program, then you can ask your query in comment section. And if there is any other question that you are not able to solve, then you can send your questions on my mail ID. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.